Need to enable cookies on Google Chrome so websites can remember your preferences, keep you logged in, or save your shopping cart items? Here's how to easily enable cookies in just a few clicks. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of your browser window and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand sidebar menu. Next, select Third-Party Cookies, or Cookies and Other Site Data, depending on your Chrome version. Here, under the Default Behavior section, select Allow Third-Party Cookies, or choose Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito mode to keep cookies enabled for your standard browsing. If you only want to allow cookies for specific websites while keeping third-party cookies restricted, you can scroll down to the Customized Behaviors section, click Add Next to allow to use third-party cookies, and type in the website address. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech guides.